In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Minecraft on a Mac. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like as well. We really do appreciate it. And please do watch this video right into the end of the full steps, and let's go and get started. Here we are on my Mac, and the first thing you need to do is go and open up a web browser. So in this case, I'm just using Safari, the default browser on your Mac. And then all you want to do is come to a search engine such as Google. Now all you want to do is go and search for Minecraft, just like so. We need to go to the official Minecraft website, which is minecraft.net. So as you can see, there are ads at the top. So all you need to do is scroll down, and as you can see, it says welcome to the official Minecraft site. So click here, and it's going to take a moment to load. So then all you want to do is just go and click on Get Minecraft. We've got a few buttons around, click on it, and here we are. And then as you can see, we've got this option here for say, how do you want to play? All you need to do is press on computer. Mac is a computer, so click on there. And then as you can see, it says Minecraft, Java and Bedrock Edition for PC. Don't worry that it says PC, this is still going to work on Mac absolutely fine. So you do need to actually go and buy Minecraft in order to use it. That's just how it works. As you can see, it says it's $24.99. It's around the same price in dollars, maybe a little bit higher. So then all you need to do is go and tap on buy Minecraft, just like so. And it's going to take a moment to load, and here we are. And as you can see, we can then go and log in, and you do need to sign in with a Microsoft account, because that is now Minecraft Works, it's owned by Microsoft, so you do need a Microsoft account. If you don't have one, go and sign up, and then you can go and purchase it. So once you've purchased Minecraft, then all you need to do is log into your account. So I'll click log in, and then you need to go and sign in with your Microsoft account. So I've just logged in now, and as you can see in the top, I've gone and got my username showing that I've got my account. Then all you want to do is come to the main Minecraft page, as you can see on minecraft.net, and you want to go and click Get Minecraft again. And then all we need to do is complete the same steps, but we now own it. So press on computer, that counts as Mac. And then as you can see, instead of buy, we've now got this download button. So I'm going to click on download, just like so. And so once you're here, all you need to do is press download launch for Mac OS, just like so. And it's now dropping the download. You'll need to press allow, just so we can go and download it. And as you saw, the download was going and put up into our browser. So if you're using Safari, go and press on this download icon and you can view your downloads, but you can also go and open up your folder Finder and go to your downloads tab as well, and then go and run the DMG installer there. So all I'm going to do is go and press on this just like so, and then double tap on it. And now hopefully it's going to go and open, as you can see, opening minecraft.dmg. And after it's on a few checks, we're going to go and get this page here, this little menu here. So all you want to do is go and close off of Safari, as we no longer need it. And then all you need to do is go and click on Minecraft and then drag it into the applications folder, just like so. And that's literally it. Then all you want to do is go and open up the launchpad, just like so, and scroll across until you can see Minecraft. It literally just appeared here. Then all you want to do is tap on it, and it's now launching. As you can see, it says Minecraft is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to go and open it? You want to go and click open. I'm just going to go and close this off here as well, and it's now cleaning it up. And as you can see, it's going to do a few things, like a few updates, and it's downloading a few files now. So all you want to do is relax and wait for this to finish. And for a few minutes, the Minecraft launcher was cleaning itself up. As you can see, I'll put a screenshot of what it looked like on the screen right now, and the Minecraft launcher is going to go and pop up. And then all you need to do is go and log in with your account. So in this case, I'm going to go and serve my Microsoft login, as you can see. And then after you've signed in, you just want to go and click Let's Go, just like this. And after pressing Let's Go, it's going to go and load the launcher itself. And as you can see, here we are. And you can go and choose the version of Minecraft you want to run. In this case, I just want to go and press on latest release. And then all you need to do is press play. And after pressing play, it's going to go and download the latest files which are required to go and run Minecraft. And there we go, guys. That is exactly it. It's now downloading, and then once it's finished, it's going to go and launch and we can go and play. If you found this video useful, please go down below and consider subscribing to the channel. Leave a like for more. Peace.